Hey guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to take apart a PS4 controller. So first, you need this screwdriver, and you need to start by unscrewing all these screws on the back of the controller. Alright guys, so after that, you got to grab the PS4 controller, just pull at each side, and it will eventually open up. Alright, just pop it open like that, and that's how it opens. But if you need to open it any farther, that thing right there, you can just unplug it like this, and just pull it apart, and it'll just turn the light off. And this could be loose too, but you can just put it back together. Just put it like that, and yeah, that's how you take it apart. And I'm going to show you me putting it back together and showing that it still works. Alright guys, so I'm going to push the PS4 button right here, and as you can see, it works. And that's the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. See you.